Mnangagwa was the second and final term is set to expire in 2028, but growing calls from within ZANU-PF to extend his stay in power beyond the constitutional limit have sparked fierce debate about the legality of such a move. Some of his loyalists have floated the idea of adding 2 extra years to his mandate, stretching his tenure to 2030 without holding a referendum. However, this proposal directly contradicts the clear provision of the Zimbabwe Constitution. Serapina mashoko ari kuda pangwa ino aiwa vanoda taura mashoko ekuti aiwa Makasi aiwa eZANU-PF aiwa neapresident Emmerson Mnangagwa obatwa nevanhu Owonerwa ndoti bosubscribe like on the bell icon tipinda panapa muzimu ainoenda mberi chete. At the heart of the matter lies Section 328 of the Constitution, which governs amendments to term limit provisions and the duration of presidential office. Tipinda Section 328. The white term limit extension in the referendum, the claim. Proponents of the extension argue that Parliament can simply insert a 7-year term without amending Section 95, claiming it is merely a duration change rather than a term limit amendment. They insisted that because it does not explicitly alter the 2-term limit, it does not trigger the need for a national referendum. However, this interpretation is legally flawed and unconstitutional. Section 328(7) is unequivocal. No sitting or former president can benefit from any amendment that extends or alters the term of office. This means even if Parliament were to pass such an amendment, President Mnangagwa would not be eligible to benefit from it, as he is already served under the current constitutional provisions. Therefore, any attempt to extend his term without a referendum is not only unconstitutional, but also a direct violation of democratic principles and the rule of law. Zimbabwe's constitution was crafted to prevent the manipulation of the presidential terms, a safeguard against authoritarian entrenchment. Extending a leader's tenure through parliamentary maneuvers undermines the sovereignty of the people, who are the ultimate custodians of constitutional power. Ndo mashoko ari kupangwa inozvinzi aiwa Makasi ese aiwa nemaconsolidations esarira kuitwa abato. Pinda kumasection medu mudzimafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.